Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, we're taking a look at another pet from the Garden 2 Fall Harvest update, the Hedgehog like this. So in this Fall Harvest event, introduce a brand new autumn day map with a fun cowboy atmosphere like this. And as you explore the area, you will occasionally find different pets roaming around, and one of them is this hedgehog. This hedgehog has rarity, so it's a little harder to find than the uncommon pet, and it costs around 140,000 maple like this, so make sure you have enough maple leaf. And then this hedgehog is also great for defending your garden, and its ability lets it roll toward intruders and tackling and knocking them back. And when it hits a thief, they will drop whatever they stole and helping keep your garden safe. So in here I want to try to buy it like this. And okay, that's everything you need to know about the new Hedgehog Pet in this Grow a Garden 2. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!